Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, put on gloves and get a 7mm socket, trim tool, and the correct replacement bulb. Once the tailgate is open, remove the inner access panel clips. This exposes the brake lamp housing. Make sure to keep fasteners in a container so nothing gets lost. Use the trim tool to gently pry away trim where needed. You need a clear path to the lamp socket. Once the housing is exposed, you're ready to reach the socket and begin removal. You now remove the socket by turning it counterclockwise and pulling it straight out. This frees the bulb. Once out, push the bulb gently to unclip it. Note the bulb type stamped on the base so you replace like for like. Inspect the socket for corrosion or melted plastic. Clean contacts if necessary. When installing, avoid touching the bulb glass with bare fingers. Oils shorten life. Seat the new bulb fully, rotate the socket back to lock, and make sure the housing sits. You finish by restoring power and testing the brake light. Have someone press the brake or use a brake pedal depressor while you observe. Once the bulb illuminates reliably, reinstall the housing and inner panel, snapping clips back into place and tightening fasteners evenly. Make sure seals are aligned to keep out moisture. If the light does not work, check the brake light fuse, test socket voltage with a multimeter, and inspect for corroded contacts or wiring damage. Those are the common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.